Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you how to change your license plate bulb on your Toyota Camry. Alright guys, first thing you got to do is open the trunk and remove this panel. And there's 15 of these little clips. All you need is a little flathead screwdriver like this and get behind it and pull it out, okay? So do that for everything. Alright, after you remove all the clips, you only have this handle to take out. In order to do that, you need to bend this back and remove that 10mm bolt right there. So let's do that. Alright, once you remove the bulb, you can just let this whole thing hang. And this is the bulb you want to remove right here. So this, all you got to do is turn it counterclockwise. Okay, just pop the old one out. And that's what it looks like. And you're going to replace it with this 2825. So let's do that. Alright, just take your bulb, just push it right in, and this goes in here. And then you're gonna twist clockwise to lock it in place. Alright, all we gotta do is put everything back together. So you have these two tabs on this handle thing. So what you're gonna do is stick them in here, and then you just screw it to this, okay? Okay, next you just gotta put the clips back on, and these just go in like that, and then you push this in. That's it. Alright, all your clips are on, your panel's on, and now your lights are working. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.